day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer.
Guys, it's me, Gailio, and may kasama na naman akong
No guys,
maganda.
it's me.
We are here in Vienna. Vienna Cafe Kitchen. Gusto niyo siyang makita kung sino kasama ko. Ang nag-iisang.
No other than.
Nag-iisang Jonah.
No other than.
Excuse me, you ready?
Do you have mango shake? Cheese.
Timo.
And then, let me see.
Teka lang,
Which one is another one? Okay. 2 banana Nutella and... Ito pala, may mga andin sila.
Carburetor.
Order is cancel medium and no,
No, cancel.
it's okay.
Yeah,
And
that's alright.
Angus steak.
About the steak.
It's like medium. It's okay, medium rare.
Just a moment.
Your name is Vladimir.
Very bad name.
Here.
Sorry.
It's only the name here.
Name no like.
Are you Russian or?
No.
You're Armenian? Oh.
It's medium.
Yeah,
Steak.
medium rare.
Medium well.
Yeah.
Medium rare.
Yes.
Medium rare.
Medium rare. Ayaw mo ng French fries?
Wag mo na.
It's okay. That's
Okay.
enough.
I'm repeat the order.
Okay.
It's only banana Nutella now. Banana Nutella.
Yes.
Okay. Two. Medium. It's not hot.
Okay.
I'm very bad.
Why?
Yeah,
Shy?
Space.
No,
It's conference photo.
No,
it's
video.
video, yeah.
It's okay. You're getting famous.
What?
Getting famous.
You're getting famous.
It's my no photo.
Ah,
Video.
okay.
Yeah,
Very bad.
No.
No. Ang cute naman nila, Pioy.
Ayaw daw. Naiya siya, be. Puti na ang tawa lang ya. Di ba? Ang gwapo mo na sa Pinas, be. Nasa Pinas ka.
Huwag mo namang itutok sa akin, be. Itigyawat ko dyan. Kita
Vienna.
Uy,
Vienna Coffee Shop. Nandito kami, guys. Kasi ang ganda ng mga tanawin nila.
sa likod mo maganda.
Diba?
Yung mga wine.
Ang ganda ng wine. Ayun yung wine nila. Wine. Ito yung spot nila na puro wine.
Hello, guys.
Ang ganda rito.
Here we are again. Eat
Sobrang sarap.
Eat. Yes.
Ayan
It's
si Kuya.
me, Jonah Young.
Sorry.
Don't worry.
You're handsome in our country.
Yeah.
For
us?
Speak English.
For us, you're
Handsome.
handsome.
What?
Handsome. Good, pretty. Yeah. Good face.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, good.
I'm beautiful.
Yeah, like that.
It's fake news.
No, it's not.
Thank you. Excuse me, where are you from?
Philippines. Yeah. We are Christian also.
What?
Christian. You're Christian?
Question?
It's like I'm
Yeah.
Roman Catholic.
You're okay.
Catholic.
What question?
No, we are saying Catholic.
Same.
Our country.
It's already.
Same in your country.
Okay. It's only good girls.
Yeah. Sorry guys, kasi mahihain siya. Ayaw niya nagpapakita sa video. Hindi daw siya gwapo.
Expensive.
Yeah, expensive. Ang aming shake. Same kami ng order. Gaya-gaya kasi ko eh.
Uy.
Wait na namin yung pagkain. Napaka-good ng stuff nila dito. Bait. This is banana choco.
I want to taste this because it's so.
Tikman natin. Lahat kasi
Baling.
Oh, sarap. Sana ayusin yun.
Dapat pala, ano mo na lang ako, no? Holder mo na lang ako, no?
Okay. Ayan po siya.
Ayan po siya. Hi, guys.
Tikman mo daw.
I think...
Nakakaya yung lalaki tingin sa atin. Sabi, ano pang gagawin nito? Video na video itong dalawa.
Sarap.
Nakaka-curious sila.
Sarap sabi. Sarap.
Guys, bubuksan na niyang mahiwagang baul.
Ready na ba kayo? Ready na kayo? 1, 2,
Ito ang pinagmamalaki niyang tahong. The muscle cream. Then the steak.
so good.
It's like a medium rare only.
Ano?
Gutom ka na be? Walang kakain. Hindi pa tapos yung video.
Ang Ang sarap niya, B. I want to taste it now. Makikita niyo
Sige
to,
na.
guys. Makikita niyo
Sige
to,
na.
guys.
Ikaw naman bida rito eh. Kakamain ka.
Makikita niyo to, guys. Paano ko kukunin yan?
Ha? Sa Pinas, tahong lang to eh. Butter talong.
Makikita niyo to, guys.
Ano
May
lang
dahon-dahon pa
inalagyan
siya.
lang namin ng luya.
Ang
Tapos,
labi, may kamag na yung cheese top.
oo eh.
Joke lang. Joke lang. It's ano. Ano, ang sarap niyan, Litby. I'm gonna get this now. See? Okay na. Manta ka na. Kain na. Okay, grabe naman. Ang sarap. Ba't mo lang... Sarap. Ang sarap.
Kuhanin natin yung steak.
Kunin ko yung kamatis. Go. Kunin ko. Hindi ka inti. Pahingin na lang.
Ba't binibidyo?
Ang ganda mo dyan, Gail. Diyan lang, Bea.
Na dito lang.
Diyan ka lang, Bea.
Pakita mo yung ano, iniiwa ko siya na madugo-dugo pa.
Okay na.
Ang daming,
Ilang
ano,
ganda, oh.
ang daming commercial bago kumain.
This is my Frenny. Nakikita niyo yung mukha niya. Gigil na po siya dyan. Wala po siyang hindi gigil. Sa kakahiwa po dyan. This is so creamy.
Ang sarap. May padamo pa sila. Sige na. Simulan na natin ito. Tikman ko.
And... Okay. Tikman mo.
Put the saucy. Then eat.
Hindi nga. Ay, ba't nang patay?
Hindi naman.
Charot lang. Ano? Masarap. Sarap! Sarap? Paano yung sarap? Paano yung sarap?
It's good. It's delicious.
I know. Ano yung gamit nito? Ito yung ano, kapag natapos ka na dito, dito mo ilalagay. Ang palayok. Sarap.
Hindi totoo yung ano eh.
Yung.
Expression eh.
Oh, isa pa. Isa pa daw. Isa pa. Ay, isa pa. Sarap nga.
Ang gabi ito eh.
Okay na.
Tulo-tulo ka man dahil. Meron ka na yan.
Na, I'm gonna do it. Tingnan natin kung talagang masarap siya, guys. Kasi sabi niya, hindi.
Anong taste niyan?
Sarap, madugo-dugo pa, guys.
Kakain muna kami.
Sarap.
Mamaya na.
Masarap na talaga siya, guys. Hindi biro. Worth it.
Pwede kaya siya ilagay dyan.
Pwede naman.
Ay! Basta hindi kita rin.
Ano na? Nakapos na yan, be? Ay,
Hindi.
lalam. Ha?
Hindi.
Ba't hindi?